Hey guys, a few tips today if you're just getting started making smoothies to lose weight. 5 tips. Number 1, you don't have to like everything. You're not gonna like some fruits, some vegetables. That's okay. Beets are not for everyone. Number 2, make the same smoothie every day. Either banana mango or berry, pick one of those two and make it every day. Autopilot is your friend. And number 3, add greens. Add greens to your smoothie no matter what. Kale, spinach, collard greens, whatever you like. The greens are gonna make you feel amazing and you're not gonna be able to taste them. Number 4, you probably already know this, but you do not need to add sugar to your smoothie. It's probably why you're making smoothies, but yeah. Same with juice. You don't need to add juice. And number 5, you might not like to hear this, you're gonna fail. You're gonna fall off the wagon and break your streak of making smoothies every day. Or you're gonna make a smoothie that tastes terrible.
Sludge.
Just know that if you do fail and when you do fail, you're not a failure. Keep making smoothies, keep blending. If you appreciated this video, hit thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, definitely. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.